Every answer begins with a question. Every insight begins with curiosity. These are the journeys of 4 students who transformed their thinking and earned their place at Band Capability Network.
Being is where research creates real impact. I've always dreamed of contributing to strategy. I wanted a place where my analysis actually results in output.
For me, Bain is excellence and opportunity.
For them, BAN is not just a company, it's a place where thinking becomes action.
Hi, I'm Manya from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I'm pursuing my PGDM in marketing and I'll be joining Bain Capability Network as a knowledge associate. I did my schooling and then I went on to complete my bachelor's in business administration from Jabalpur. That is where I developed my interest in marketing and the digital landscape of the business world.
From Jabalpur to a global consulting environment, her journey is shaped by curiosity.
Hi, I'm Pradeshtha and I'm pursuing my PGDM with the marketing specialization. I'm from Bhiwani, Haryana and I will join Bain Capabilities Network as a knowledge associate. I have completed my undergraduation in BA with Economics and Commerce from Shahid Bhagat Singh College, Delhi University. Throughout my journey, I have always been academically driven, be it about getting a gold medal in class 12 or getting recognized by Student Council scholarship.
A strong foundation gave her clarity and discipline.
Hi, I'm Saisha Malik, born and brought up in Ambala, Haryana, and I'm currently pursuing PGDM with marketing as my specialization from Birla Institute of Management Technology, and I'm thrilled to join Bain & Company as a knowledge associate. I have completed my graduation in Economic Honours from Delhi University, and economics has given me a strong analytical foundation. But along the side, I have also been drawn to the creative side of businesses, the storytelling, content, visuals, and I wanted a place where I could blend both perfectly.
She blends analytical clarity with creative insight.
Hi, I'm Vidula Rani. I'm from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. I'm pursuing Retail Management Program in Birla Institute of Management Technology. I'll be joining Bain Capability Network as a knowledge associate. I was a BCom Honours graduate from Lady Doak College, Madurai, where I was the Vice President of the Student Cabinet. It helped me a lot to balance academic with leadership together. And I was able to handle teams, plan events and stay accountable, where it helped me to shape my confidence and discipline.
Her journey embodies excellence, built through discipline and relentless effort.
My journey at BIMTech has been a really transformative one. I still remember my first few presentations where I was so unsure about everything. But with the faculty mentorship and the feedback, I gradually became better and more confident with my skills. The short-term projects and the classroom discussions gave me insights on how the real world actually works and gave me industry exposure. Overall, BIMTech did not just teach me marketing, it shaped how I look and analyze things.
In every class and every case, she sharpened her analytical thinking.
For me, BIMTech has been all about the exposures that actually transforms you. Mock PIs, GDs, debate, constant presentations, and case-based learning has shaped you and always pushes you to perform better and speak clearer. The highlight has been the live projects. One was recognized by UNESCO and the other one was presented in front of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Everything here shapes me in a better version of myself every single day. For me, BIMTech is not just a campus, it's a launchpad.
She learned how research can drive real impact.
When I first came to BIMTech, it opened me up to experiences far beyond academics. I always used to be very shy and joining the media content gave me the confidence by interviewing the top industry leaders. Apart from this, I have got to work on many meaningful life projects. And the major milestone in my journey was my visit to Singapore Management University, where we worked with international faculty and students and worked on a project on luxury watches as an alternative investment.
A journey of structure, creativity, and global perspective.
Coming from a conservative family in Tamil Nadu, I had a lot of questions where to do MBA from. Then I met an alumni who pursued Retail Management Program at BIMTech. She changed my life, to be honest. Initially, I had challenges with the language, but later on, with supportive faculties and collaborative peer group, it all made easy. Over time, I became the rank 1 in Dean's Merit List for 3 consecutive trimesters in first year, bagging 1.5 lakhs scholarship. Later, I also won lot of case competitions and became national finalist in prestigious IIMs and IITs. This all made me industry ready. I would thank BIMTech a lot for shaping my career.
In a diverse classroom, she grew past her comfort zones, including language barriers, finding her confidence through collaboration.
Our internship at Big Muscles Nutrition was a turning point, where I contributed to a new product launch, coordinated with influencers, and directly contributed in positioning of the product in the market.
I worked closely with the e-commerce team and got hands-on exposure on platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. It really showed me how even small changes can influence the customer decision.
That experience strengthened her understanding of e-commerce marketing strategy, essential for consulting research.
My internship with the Landmark Group has been really transformative one. At Home Center, I saw my marketing lectures coming alive. Understanding of integrated marketing communication, creative brand storytelling, and consumer behavior helped me analyzing sales pattern. It also helped me to create a comic style communication which was further on use in complete Karnataka region. It was all a complete marketing mix, and that's exactly what BIMTech prepared me for.
With every project, she learned to communicate insights visually and effectively, a skill BAN values deeply.
My internship was at a startup called Hack Foods. I worked on institutional sales and buyer preference research and strategies. So, as a group of interns, we were able to make 5 lakh sales in just 15 days. For on-the-job training, which is a USP of retail management, I worked in Reliance Smart Bazaar. I was able to understand the entire retail operations in depth.
Her journey blends analytical rigor with real-world commercial understanding.
Joining Bain Capability Network feels like a milestone, something I have really worked hard for. We came from different states. We learned differently.
But our ambitions brought us together.
And today, we are proud to join Bain Capability Network.
Curiosity, discipline, insight. Congratulations to our BAN achievers. Your journey begins now.